Hi you guys, welcome to my Sunday From. Today I'm going to try this recipe and it's just going to be weenies and corn tortilla. So it's going to be like a hot dog taco, I guess. So let's see if it works. What you need is, of course, 2 tortillas. You're going to need cheese and some hot dogs. So you just want to cut these in half so you can assemble them. So just cut them down. I'm going to cut them diagonal, and then I'm going to cut them in half. And just start assembling them. You just put pieces in the middle. You can just put however much you want cheese and however much you want hot dog, and just roll it like a taco. Let's try that again. So you just put your hot dog in the center, and your cheese, you just stuff it with cheese, and put however much you want. Like I said, this is only 1 hot dog and 1 cheese for 2, and so this is what they look like. And I'm going to put them in the microwave. You can probably fry yours, but I'm just going to put them in the microwave for another 45 seconds, and I'll show you when they come out. So this is them. You can put hot sauce on it. Just put some hot sauce on it. Good old ketchup. And just eat them like that. Let's taste one. So good. Tastes literally 2 minutes to make and assemble. So hope you try it and enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later on my Sunday From. Bye bye.